Breaking news, you could have made thousands with just 30 seconds of work. And no, I'm not talking about robbing a bank or flipping NFTs, I'm talking about meme coins. Pepe Wawa 69 just turned some dude into a millionaire overnight. But don't worry, you're about to learn how to do it too. In this video, I'm breaking down how to trade low-cap meme coins in 2025 step by step. I'll show you my updated trading setup and reveal the top secret tools that the best traders are using to print hundreds or thousands of dollars daily. Meme coins. The same stuff your dad calls internet monopoly money. But guess what? Monopoly money just bought me a real island. Stay tuned. Before you even think about throwing money at a coin called Doge Bonk Elon Rocket, you gotta understand what you're getting into. It's a jungle out there in the meme coin world. Tens of thousands of meme coins launch every month on this wild west of a platform called Pump. Fun, where anyone can create a coin in seconds. Your grandma who still thinks Bitcoin is a type of orange? She could launch a coin? It's the Wild West, but instead of cowboys and saloons, it's nerds and Lambos, baby. Listen up, because this is where things get interesting. If you're still using 2024 trading platforms like Bullex and Photon, you're moving like a grandpa in a Lambo race. You need speed, you need efficiency, you need Nova. Nova is the trading platform for 2025. It's like having a supercomputer wired directly to your brain. Use code CHIEFGOODEN for 10% off your first month. You're welcome. So you got the platform, you got the hustle, but how do you actually find the coins that are about to go parabolic? It's not just about throwing darts at a board full of dog memes. You need alpha. Alpha is insider information, the secret sauce, the cheat codes to the meme coin game. First, you gotta join alpha groups. These are exclusive communities where the real players share their insights and predictions. Think of it like a secret society of meme coin millionaires. Follow the Twitter whales. These are the big dogs who can move markets with a single tweet. Alright, you're in the alpha groups, you're following the Twitter whales, you're practically swimming in insider information. But now what? How do you actually trade this stuff without losing your shirt? Only trade what you can afford to lose. Use stop losses. Meme coins can pump 500% and then crash faster than your ex's text. Stop losses are like your safety net, your parachute, your get-out-of-jail-free card. Look for dev wallets that made successful coins. These devs are like the Picassos of the meme coin world. If a dev made a banger before, there's a chance their next project is also a hit. Never FOMO buy. Patience, young grasshopper. Congratulations, you did it. You followed the steps, you traded smart, and you turned your $20 into a mountain of meme coin riches. But hold your horses, cowboy, because the game ain't over yet. Now you gotta cash out like a pro and actually enjoy your hard-earned gains. Use DEX aggregators. This helps you swap coins for max profit. Split profits, take some out for real-world money but leave a little in for the next opportunity. Be like Buffett, but with more memes. Diversify your portfolio, spread the love, and watch your meme coin empire grow. Listen, meme coins are like dating. Exciting, unpredictable, and sometimes painful. But if you play it smart, use the right tools, and don't get emotionally attached, you can make crazy money. Just remember, this ain't financial advice. I'm just a dude on YouTube who likes making videos and maybe flipping a meme coin or two. Always do your own research, invest responsibly, and don't come crying to me if you lose your shirt. TLDR, get Nova, use Bullex Neo, join alpha groups, follow Twitter whales, trade smart, don't FOMO, and take profits. Like and subscribe because I just saved you from financial disaster. Let's get rich, or at least have fun trying. Gameplay House out.